my sweet friends, it's Tanya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Well, I have a real treat for you today. Today I want to show you how to transform Dollar Tree finds into DIY Valentine's Day gift baskets. So, if you're looking for creative and budget-friendly ways to give gifts to your loved ones or friends, then you don't want to miss this video, because I'm going to show you how to take Dollar Tree finds and transform them into beautiful, adorable, and very budget-friendly Dollar Tree gift baskets. So let's hop on to the first one. Okay, for the first one, I just went through. I love Dollar Tree. I love to shop at Dollar Tree. So many affordable finds for Valentine's they have out right now. So I picked up this Heart and Hugs little bucket. It's plastic. And then what I wanted to do is I picked up some of the shreds. And when you're in Dollar Tree, if you're just really careful and look, of course you would want to curate this to your taste and your loved one's taste. But I like this because it kind of had the pink in there, and I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. This one is already open, and I'm just going to put some of this shred in here. I don't know how many I'll need, but I picked up 2. I think 2 will work out just fine, okay? Then I just picked up things that I thought would be really great. All right, first of all, remember this? They have the microfiber hair wrap by Be Pure. I thought that would be a wonderful little addition. Who does not love chocolate? That is a wonderful idea, okay? And then these snuggly socks. This one would be for the females. I think this would be a great gift for the females or your friends, okay? And this little headband with the hearts, I think that is adorable. Then another Skintimate Spa headband. Why not? Okay. Then I thought this mister would be great. They could use it when they use to set their makeup or anything like that, or even if they do arts and crafts, it's great, okay? Then you could also throw in these wonderful pink berry scented bath fizzers that are in the shape of roses. I think that's really cute, okay? Might get something, then this comb, detangling comb, okay? So we're gonna put that, I think maybe right in the back like that. You just want layers, okay? And then some sassy and chic. Put that in. I think I could have used another package of the decorative shred, but this is fine, okay? Then what you want to do, like I said, chocolate is always a hit. It's never a bad gift. And you can see we are curating a wonderful little gift basket. Then these 2 milk chocolate pretzel rolls. Gotta have me some chocolate, okay? All right, and you could continue to put these Valentines Reese's, but I don't think I'm going to put it in that. I think then the other thing I'm going to put in here are these wax strips. I think that would be a wonderful gift, okay? And you can see from this, right like this, does that not look beautiful? But I'm not through. So what I thought, Dollar Tree also has these 2 basket bags that come in clear and red. And I think I want to do the clear. This is a good value, it really is, to get 2 of these. They feel very nice. Pop this right down in here. You don't have that much money in it. This is a very economical gift basket. Make sure you have it in the bottom. Then I'm going to be using probably this Dollar Tree ribbon because I think it is so pretty and I think it would add a lot of interest. Now you could use, if you wanted, some of this lace ribbon. I think it would be gorgeous, but I'm not going to. Pretty good, fair amount. You could always put like a twist tie around this first if you wanted. So here is a beautiful gift basket that you made. It did not cost that much money, but yet your Valentine, be it a loved one or just a dear friend, is gonna love this. Now let's make the second one. That one was for a female, the next one will be a male. For the male, I picked this up, but if I had it to do over, for my theme, I would have just got a bucket from the Dollar Tree, okay? So what I want to do with this is get some of this gift tissue. I love it with the little, this that says love on it and then the plain pink. So pretty. And I'm just gonna get this. Set it right in here like this. And you could do the pattern and then alternate it with the other, but I think I'm just going to stick with the pattern because I think it's really adorable. Okay, for the man, I thought it would be cute to do a car wash theme. Mullen loves to wash his car and my car, and this was a $1.25 microfiber sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right in there. That's why I said a bucket would have lent itself to more room. Okay, then, but I think we're gonna be fine. Then I picked up some of these microfiber cleaning towels. They're 14 by 16. You get 2 of them in here. That is great. Then I got him some all clear multi-surface cleaning wipes. Citrus scented, you get 30 wipes. Okay, put this maybe right there. And then this little, we love these super soft microfiber cloths, $1.25. You cannot beat those. Then I thought this would be cute. It's a little mitt to just, it's a microfiber wash mitt, really. So I thought that would be cute. He will be set for his clean car. And then I got him some Armor All multi-purpose cleaning, okay? And it says powerful cleaning for auto surfaces and a stain removing formula. He loves Armor All, so got that. Then I wanted to pick him up some socks. You know I love Dollar Tree socks. These are Dockers. Look at this. These were $5, okay? This was the most I spent on anything, all right? But they feel so good. I love the patterns, and I know he's going to enjoy them. So that's where a bigger container would have come in quite nicely, but it's still good. And then you have to give your loved one something sweet. This says, "You pick me up," and it looks like a pickup truck. So why not just include that in here? And here is a wonderful little Dollar Tree gift basket for the man in your life. You didn't break the bank, but yet he knows you thought of him. Now I think I may see what this red looks like. We may go back to the clear, I don't know. But we want options. All right, put this down in there. You can still see through it. I like that you can still see through. And I'm going to use that same ribbon to tie this. All right, I'm sorry, our electric just went off. I'm gonna move into the living room. Melvin has some lights hooked up for me that run on battery, so I'll try to get this video finished. And I've got some candles here, but we still have a lot of snow on the ground. And it's bad. It really is bad here. It's melting, but it's not good. Okay, so let's try to get this finished. Okay, I'm going to cut this about right here. And this one about right here. So here is another Dollar Tree gift basket for Valentine's idea. I could go on and on, but I still don't have any power. So as you can see, with a little creativity and some imagination, you can take Dollar Tree finds and turn them into wonderful Dollar Tree Valentine's gift basket ideas. So the video would be longer, but still no power. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Now, I'm filming this on a Thursday for Friday. If I don't get any power back, I'll put it up just as soon as I can. So until next time, bye guys.